Today we are here to launch with the government of Kenya and our strategic partner Pula Foundation the Fertilizer Subsidy Insurance Program that would allow farmers to access insurance, helping them to mitigate the effects of climate change as we see it today in how it affects farmers' productivity, whether on the farm or even how then they manage post-harvest losses. I'm here on behalf of the Bayer Foundation. The Bayer Foundation that has worked with Pula over a couple of years across many geographies, not only in Africa but also in Asia. And our commitment and our investment in this partnership is a $10 million investment over 5 years that would allow us support 10 million farmers, again, across various geographies, to mitigate, the impact of climate change on productivity. So it's a climate-based insurance that helps farmers to insure their crops, really reducing the impact that we see climate change has on losses for farmers across the continent. And we're very happy to see that launch in Kenya today.
Pula is an insurtech working across 10 African markets, and through our foundation, the Pula Foundation and the Bayer Foundation, we're very proud to launch today a partnership with the government of Kenya to embed insurance in the Subsidy program that distributes fertilizer to millions of farmers across Kenya. Agriculture insurance is an incredibly important tool for farmers to combat and become resilient to climate change. And we're seeing that on a day-to-day, season-by-season basis. Rains used to start in March. Now they sometimes start in April or they start in February. It's very difficult for farmers to predict when to plant. And when they harvest, they have rains. So agriculture insurance is really a tool that enables them to cope with climate shocks today. We are super grateful to the team from the government of Kenya under leadership of the Honorable C.S. Mutahi, as well as his representatives, the MD for the NCPB here today, to launch this program, because agriculture insurance needs to be embedded to be offered in an economical way.
We are mandated to ensure that the government is able to distribute the fertilizer, subsidy fertilizer, through the National Fertilizer Subsidy Program. As we speak, the government subsidizes the fertilizer to the tune of around 1,500, 1,700 per bag, depending with the fertilizer types. So we have a standard price across the country for all types of the fertilizer that we distribute at 2,500 shillings per bag. And what is happening now is that within that component, to begin with, the farmers will be able to enjoy the so-called insurance cover in case there is a crop failure. And that's a benefit. It's an enhanced benefit within the program. And of course, as we move towards the future, then the cost of the insurance cover will be inbuilt within the fertilizer prices, the subsidy price.
How much are we talking?
For now, the cost is free for the pilot here. As we move on to the future, then we'll be able to come up with some figures which are basically within the affordable levels. What we've been targeting as an agent, and of course as a government by large, is to have reduced fertilizer prices, over the time, because we started with very, very escalated fertilizer prices, and we have seen over the years the subsidy price reducing. There was a time it was 3,500. Again, now we are talking of 2,500. So we should even be able to do with a reduced price, and of course incorporating more benefits. So we are not basically talking about a price increase just because of enhanced benefits. We should be talking of reduced prices with enhanced benefits. That should be the spirit.